I'm doing the basics. So, I mean, people just want to drive fast whenever they want to.
Yeah. Where are you so far? Where are you located?
I'm getting past Opie Mills. I'm like 37 minutes away right now.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah, you just drive slow so you can get there safe and sound.
This is just crazy, man. I didn't expect this all of a sudden.
Well, that's the thing about it. Whenever you travel and they have because we even said they said it was gonna be cold in Tennessee and they were expecting some snow. And didn't know when it was, but they had put it out there. So, but I know you had to come from another place.
Because it was literally blue skies and 56 degrees in Knoxville. Then all of a sudden it's snowing here. That's crazy to me.
At least you're 30 minutes away.
Yeah, I'm cool. I'm just like surprised it was gonna snow in Nashville this quickly. But I'm good.
That's good. Well, tomorrow's a holiday.
Yep.
Tomorrow's a holiday. So, I guess people over there, they're not pressed. Wherever they are, they can just take their time.
It should melt away tomorrow. It shouldn't be snowing tomorrow. Maybe we'll see.
The temperature should be raised. Even if it is, it'll melt. And probably won't be 32 degrees.
Right now it's 26 degrees right now.
That's not good. That's icy weather. Really be careful about that black ice.
Trust me, I already know. That's why I'm going too slow.
Stay in the summer land.
Because that black ice is no joke.
Especially when you got those cars going so fast.
Thank you. Yeah.
It's the only thing to get to your house. Scottsdale Expressway almost until you get there.
But I'm moving. I'm getting close.
Yeah, that's good. You said 30 minutes from Nashville.
34 now.
Oh, 34 minutes from Nashville. Okay, then you still got 30 minutes to get to Ashland.
Oh no, I'm 34 minutes from Ashland City. That's what I meant.
Oh, okay.
I'm already past Nashville. I'm in Nashville right now, but I'm just coming along as I go right now.